Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys brightness setting. And today video title is guys how can we turn off guys Infinix phone eyes protection mode guys. So friends, now let's see guys how can we off guys Infinix phone eyes protection mode setting guys. So first of all guys, you will have to open guys your Infinix phone setting guys. So guys, we will on guys our phone setting first of all. After on phone setting guys, you cancel this tab settings. So friends, you will have to click on my phone display and brightness guys, tap here, and friends click on my phone eye care setting guys. We will tap here. Friends, you can see guys eye care setting guys is on, so guys we will turn off from here. After off guys, your skin color will be normal, and friends we can use our phone without this eyes protection mode. So like that guys, you can turn off guys your eyes protection mode from your display and brightness setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. And friends, do you have any doubt related to guys phone display and brightness setting guys, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys, thanks for watching the video.